All right, so looking at this question, number 3, gives you a dot plot that shows the length of the 12 trailers sold at a store last month. Which statement about the data is true? Of course, the answers are A is that IQR is 7 and the range is 17. B, the IQR is 7 and the range is 11. C, the IQR is 2 and 75 hundredths and the range is 17. And D, the IQR is 2 and 75 hundredths and the range is 11. So using the answer choices to help drive my attention here, um, one thing I can do, I can find the range really easy. Remember, my range is my greatest value minus my least value. And so in this case, my greatest point would be 17, and my least point or my minimum point would be 6, and that would give me a range of 11. So my range is equal to 11. So that means I can get rid of letter A because my range is not 17, and I can get rid of D. So I've already cut it down to, 50%. The next one is finding the IQR. So whenever you find IQR, or whenever you're dealing with any a number set, I always teach you to write out each of the values. So I have 4 6s, so I'm going to write 4 6s. I don't have any 7 or 8s. I have 2 9s, so I can put 2 9s. Then I have 4 13s. I'm going to put 13s, 4 of them. Then I have 2 17s. And so as I look at that, I know that I have 14 numbers. Excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers, sorry. And so when I'm finding I have to find my median first, right? You always find your median. So if I have 12 numbers, that means I'm going to have 6 on one side and 6 on the other side because it's a halfway point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, of course, make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my median becomes the value right in between 9 and 13, right in the middle. Again, when I don't know what that value is, because it's in between two numbers, I can add my two numbers. So 9 plus 13 would give me 22. And then I have to find the mean of that. So I divide by 2, which would give me 11. So my median is 11. But you find my IQR, which I'm looking for, which is my interquartile range, right? To find my IQR, I got to find my Q1 and my Q3. So Q1 is the median of my lower half. So I have 6 numbers, so I'm going to cut it right down the middle. And so 6 is in between 6. So my median, my Q1, is equal to 6. Go to my upper half, and I do the exact same thing. I'm going to do some erasing so I can have the room. It's going to be right here. So in between 13 and 13 is 13. So my IQR is going to be Q1 minus Q3, which would be 13 minus 6, which would be equal to 7. So my correct answer is B.